Alright, part 4. The final chapter of this fucking nightmare. There it is. 07 North Star. What'd we do? We just both fucking all timing chains, guides, tensioners. Twice, by the way. If I can mention anything, fucking make sure your fucking cam gears are left intake, left exhaust, right intake, right exhaust. But there she is. For all you people that fucking didn't think it'd go back together. She's finished. Ain't that right, Robert?
Yeah, buddy.
And so this is the first North Star transverse engine fucking timing chain videos on fucking YouTube. Fuck. Alright, well. See you on the next fucking nightmare, bitch.